Hi guys, this is Miss Alex again, and in this video we're going to work on our numbers. Our numbers we are going to count to today is 25. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are all the way to number 25 in our counting, but in our writing, we are to number 12. And we're going to use, what color? Pink. What does pink start with? The letter P, which is what we're talking about this week. So here's our number 1. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll have to make it bigger. 1, 1, ooh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go up here for number 9. 9, 10, 11, and then 12. 12 is a 1 and a 2 put together. So like this. 1, 2. That's number 12. Let's talk about our topic today. Our topic today starts with P. And it's something you guys are actually probably familiar with. Do you know what type of plant this is? That plant there in the middle is called peanuts. Did you know that peanuts grow in a plant like this? Who made the peanut? God did. Where do peanuts grow? God made the peanut plant so that the peanuts grow under the ground. The peanut is not really a nut, because nuts grow on trees above the ground. The peanut is like a pea because the part we eat is in a pod or a shell. When you crack open a peanut shell, you will usually find 2 peanuts inside. Some peanut shells have more than 2 peanuts. George Washington Carver, this man right here, lived many years ago. He loved God and the beautiful world God created. He really liked the peanut plant, and he learned to use it to make many things. Who likes to eat peanuts? I love peanut butter. Do you guys like peanut butter? I love peanut butter. Monkeys like peanuts, elephants like peanuts, and boys and girls like you like peanuts too. Do you guys know some of the stuff that are made from peanuts? You can eat peanuts by themselves or in cookies, cakes, or pies, or, this is one of my favorite things, is peanut butter. George Washington Carver, this man here, he's the person that invented peanut butter. When he was just a little boy, George Washington Carver enjoyed walking through the woods and studying the plants he saw. Just like you, his mind thought of many questions. How could he find the answer? George Washington Carver learned to read, and he read books about plants. He also took sick plants and tried to make them better. People soon called George Washington Carver the plant doctor. Mr. Carver became a teacher. When he grew up, George Washington Carver went to college to learn even more about plants. Many people heard about how he liked plants. One day, a man named Booker T. Washington asked him to work for him. He wanted Mr. Carver to teach others how to be good farmers. George Washington Carver taught the boys in his class how to help the soil or dirt to grow good plants. He taught them how to grow sweet potatoes and other vegetables and peanuts. Mr. Carver made many things from peanuts. The peanut plants amazed George Washington Carver. He wanted to know what he could do with it. He asked God to help him think and work. God helped Mr. Carver make many different things out of peanuts. He made shampoo, ink, that's what this is down here, is a bottle of ink, rubbing oil, metal polish, peanut oil, peanut milk, peanut cream, cheese, he even made cheese, and coffee, all from peanuts. People used to think peanuts were just a fun thing for boys and girls to eat, but God gave George Washington Carver the knowledge to make many, many more things. Perhaps God will use you to find out more about something special he has made. So where do peanuts grow? They grow under the ground in a shell. What are some of the things we can make from peanuts? We can use them, we can eat them just plain. We can use them to make peanut butter. You can use them to make shampoos and milk, a type of milk kind of like almond milk, except it's peanut milk. Ink and coffee. You can use peanuts for a whole bunch of things. Who was the plant doctor? You guys remember his name? George Washington Carver. That was the plant carver, and the plant doctor, and he's the one who invented yummy peanut butter. So, our workbook page for this is you're going to do two things. First, we're going to count the peanuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 peanuts under there. What you're going to do is you're going to take a brown crayon and color those peanuts in. All 12 of them. Those are two things you're going to do. And then there's a third step. We have another part of the page for you to print out to cover the bottom. You're going to tape that to across the top, and you can lift it up and I'll hide the peanuts. So it's like what the peanut will look like under the ground, and then it'll show what they look like under. Right, and also don't forget to put your name on the top. All right, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again for another one.